DeLillo Chevrolet has been family-owned and operated since 1962. We've been delivering new and used vehicles using this successful hometown family service because we know it works. In a world full of megastores, DeLillo wants to keep your sales and service experience simple. There are no high-pressure tactics here.
Introducing the 2009 Chevrolet Tahoe. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Owner care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. And memory settings are one of the many features. An included Carfax vehicle history report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.
You will notice that the same personnel work in our dealership year after year after year. It's very rare if we need to place an ad to replace one of our employees. So come on down and see why we are labeled the nicest people in town.